This is the Cybergear motor from Xiaomi. You can find these on AliExpress for about $90 right now. And this is an incredible deal for a motor with the capabilities that this thing has. So let's dive in and see what's inside. Inside the compact housing, they've managed to cram a brushless motor, a planetary gearbox, and a full closed-loop control system. This is really the perfect actuator for a shoulder mechanism or a leg mechanism, and I think it really unlocks some new possibilities for DIY animatronics. So let's break the shrink wrap and see what's inside. Now, this product is not currently being marketed towards Western audiences, so as you might expect, the instructions are entirely in Chinese. Fortunately, there are already some libraries available on GitHub for controlling this thing, and hopefully we can use those resources to get this thing up and running. One thing I do know about the manual is that this QR code in the back does have a download link to the debugging software that you'll need to program the motor with the CAN bus ID number that you'll need to address the motor. Also, that QDD1 there is the password that you'll need to download the software. All right, diving into the motor itself, when you pick this thing up, it is pretty heavy. 317 grams to be exact, but this thing feels really robust and high quality. It is a cast aluminum enclosure, and under this sticker we have the output shaft, and there are 6 M4 threaded holes here for attaching whatever we want to the motor, and then around the perimeter of the motor are a number of M3 threaded holes that we can use to mount the motor. The motor operates on 24 volts DC at a maximum amperage of 6 amps, and it can produce 12 Newton meters of torque. I'm looking forward to trying this out. On the side here, you can see we have our XT30 power input, 24 volts DC. It's actually a XT30 2+2. So over here on the left, we have 2 more pins, which are for the data input. That is in the CAN bus protocol that it's expecting, so we'll have to figure out how to get CAN bus signals sent to this thing. And that is it for what is in this box, just the motor and the manual. So we're going to have to source some more parts in order to make this thing functional, and I will be doing that in future videos. So please stick around, hit the like button, and subscribe if you want to see more videos about DIY animatronics, especially with this new Cybergear motor from Xiaomi.